How to create custom audiences on Facebook. To create a custom audience on Facebook, start by going to the Audiences section within Ads Manager. Once there, click or tap on Create Audience and select Custom Audience. Facebook will then prompt you to choose a source. This could be people who visited your website, interacted with your Facebook or Instagram page, engaged with a video, or even contacts from a customer list you upload. After selecting your source, you'll need to define specific rules or filters. For example, you can target people who visited a specific web page in the last 30 days, or those who watch at least 15 seconds of a video you posted. These filters help narrow your audience to those most likely to respond to your ads. After setting your conditions, name your audience and click Create. Facebook will build the group in the background and you can use it right away. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.